Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest family travel adventures. Your support helps us keep exploring and sharing these amazing places with you. Welcome to Eco Family Adventures. Today, we're diving into the world of wellness travel, exploring how you can plan a health-focused getaway that benefits both you and your family. Plus, we'll highlight must-have products, exclusive travel deals, and tips for including the little ones in your wellness journey. Wellness travel is all about enhancing your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being while exploring new places. From serene retreats to rejuvenating spa getaways, it's about making travel a transformative experience. To bring the wellness experience home, check out these top-rated yoga mats and meditation cushions available on Amazon. They're perfect for creating your own peaceful retreat. Let's explore some top wellness destinations. Bali, with its holistic retreats. Costa Rica, known for eco-lodges in lush rainforests. And Switzerland, offering luxury spa resorts in the Alps. Looking to book your next wellness getaway? Expedia offers exclusive deals on these top destinations, making your wellness journey both affordable and luxurious. Start by defining your wellness goals, whether it's relaxation, detox, or mindfulness. Research destinations and accommodations that align with these goals and pack the essentials for a smooth trip. Check out Amazon for eco-friendly travel kits, reusable water bottles, and comfortable clothing that will make your journey even more enjoyable. Traveling with kids? Look for family-friendly retreats that offer activities like yoga for kids or nature walks, so everyone can enjoy the wellness experience. To maximize your wellness trip, disconnect from digital distractions and immerse yourself in the present moment. Enjoy healthy meals and take time for mindfulness practices like meditation. For staying on track during your wellness journey, consider investing in some helpful tools. Portable meditation guides can help you maintain mindfulness wherever you go. And travel-friendly cooking tools make it easy to prepare healthy meals on the road. You can find these essentials on Amazon, making your wellness trip both enjoyable and convenient. We'd love to hear from you. How do you incorporate wellness into your travels? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Let's create a community of travelers who prioritize health and well-being. Wellness travel is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle choice that prioritizes your health and well-being. Whether you're planning a solo retreat or a family adventure, these tips will help you create a truly transformative experience. Thanks for joining us on this eco-family adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and check out the links below for recommended products and travel deals to make your next wellness trip even better. Don't forget to check out our affiliate links from Amazon, Expedia, and Viator for the best travel gear and tour booking. Happy traveling! Thanks for joining us on this eco-family adventure. Remember, the world is your playground. Explore it, cherish it, and leave it better than you found it. See you on our next journey.